W's in the chat, punk. W's in the chat, punk. Give me 15 Drew Hills right now. Okay, I look like fucking Miranda sings. Hold on. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my little crevice of the internet. That felt good. I haven't fucking vlogged in like forever. Tomorrow I have a event to go to with y'all favorite Alyssa. Yes, we're gonna get the queen on the vlog, but I guess we can do a little recap of what I've been doing since I've been gone. So I went to Toronto for my friend's graduation party. I'll insert the clips here. Let's W's in the chat, punk.
Are y'all ready?
Okay. Yes. That's a high chair right there. That's a high chair right there. Kori!
You picked this Kori! You went straight to a shop, bro? You've been waiting for 2 hours for that shit. It's Kori, bro.
I'm laying down, so I'm laying down. I'm gonna let you say, lay. That's Lord. Lay. You gotta lay it down so I can lay it down. On my pillow, I got a cute little PR package. I got a package. I'm not sure what video this gonna end up in, but I got a package. So let's open it. Let's open it. This is from Simply Pop. I was on the GoPuff app, and if you watched one of my I don't know how to cook for reals, but I want to get married, I was talking about how much I love the GoPuff app, and I saw that Simply, like the juice brand, they make like a prebiotic. So I DM'd them because I'm like, I don't want to buy this. Can they maybe send it to me? So I'm like, can y'all send it to me? They like, yeah. Yeah, girl. Oh, it's the cutest fucking box ever. Shut the fuck up. Ah, look. Oh my God, so cute. Look at it. This is so fucking cute. They sent me all the flavors. And they got little stickers here. So cute. And I started Love Island. That's all I've been doing. And then I've been sleeping, working, and watching Love Island every day. So that's what I've been up to. What have y'all been up to? Awesome. I missed y'all. Okay. Now let's get into this vlog. I'm about to go to this Adobe creator event. Let's see what it's talking about. Free food, free drinks though. So I'm in. I'm there. Let's go.
Franco.
I need your loving, so fresh, so clean. Love me and then.
Yeah, we came, we saw, we conquered.
Why is it not working?
They really played. They played. What kind of event was it? Bro.
Oh,
We're about to
I don't know if it was the Motown Museum in that bitch or Adobe. When I had just to. Do y'all know this song? The most basic song ever? Give me 15 Drew Hills right now.
Yeah, we will.
I would give it zero thumbs up. This the real creator event right now. Happening live. Yes.
That's not what she got salad.
This shit feels strong. The white boy gave us a blanco. That wasn't bad. That was not bad. That was smooth as hell. Smooth criminal. Happy Juneteenth, my black brothers and sisters. Oh, my hair. I need to get my hair done. This is a Juneteenth disaster. But no. I feel like this vlog is all over the motherfucking place. Like, at this point, we're gonna call it a collective vlog. Right now, I'm about to go grocery shopping. I want to go to Ulta, and I also want to maybe go to TJ Maxx. I don't know though. We'll see how much time we got left. It is currently 2:33, so let's hit the road, Jack. Y'all, I'm sorry I've been neglecting y'all so much. Y'all need to call like YPS on me, YouTube. protective services because I literally went grocery shopping. I went to Ulta and I went to Bath and Body Works without y'all. I hate going in stores where like the people are so like, do you need help? Are you still doing good? Are you still doing good? Like, do you need help with, like, no, I don't need help with anything. I'm not new to this. I'm true to this. I know my way around the Ulta. I know my way around the Bath and Body Works. So like, I be hating recording there because I don't like people in my business, and they're gonna be like, oh my gosh, she recording, and they're gonna be like, oh my god, that's a cute little ass camera, and then I'm about to be like, okay, yeah, it is a cute little camera, but I don't need help, get out my face. Anyway, let's go over what we got from Ulta real quick. I hope my audio is not bad. It's a fucking monsoon out here, look. Like, nigga, do we live in Southeast Asia? I thought this was like Michigan. I went to Ulta and I got the NYX liquid, well, not liquid, NYX Lip IV Hydrating Gloss Serum. This is supposed to be like their lip stain. It's in the shade Berry Thirsty. So I'm excited to try that out. I have never had a lip stain before, and I don't do like lip liner, so I'm gonna have to figure out how the fuck I want to wear it. Damn! Look at this shit, y'all. How many of us were scared? Me too. From Bath and Body Works, they're having their semi-annual sale, so get y'all asses up and go. They having candles, $10.99, which I think are the same price they are for Candle Day, so it's like a fucking steal. I went and got my favorite one, Midnight Blue Citrus. Oh my god, that's my favorite fucking candle, y'all. $11.95 is what it came out to be, including taxes. So yeah, then I was like, let me get one of my favorite lotions. I almost don't want to tell y'all I want to gatekeep, but I know a lot of y'all are vanilla girlies. So here, Vanilla Romance, the best motherfucking scent for the body they got in that motherfucker. Please fight me if you disagree. Well, don't fight me. So I took it up there. I only got one, and the lady was like, $31. I'm like, damn, $31? Whatever. So I pulled my card out to tap it. She's like, wait, did you want to use your little coupon or whatever? I'm like, yeah, sure. She's like, that brings your total down to $11.65. I'm like, okay, now we talking, lady. And then she's like, you have another one? I'm like, I have another one, I can use it right now? She's like, yeah. I'm like, say less. So I got two, and I got a candle. Total 11, whatever total I've been saying this whole fucking clip. 11.73, 11 something something. But yeah, that was a steal. Y'all need to get hip to the Bath and Body Works app because the coupons are like fucking amazing. Like, I've never paid full price for a fucking lotion this size ever. I've either gotten it for free or for like $6. So hop on that. I'm gonna go home, put my groceries up. I might show y'all that, but I don't know. I don't want to bore y'all. I did all the fun shit without y'all. Now I gotta punish y'all by making y'all watch me fucking put the groceries up. But damn, I can't wait to watch this clip back so I can hear how loud this fucking rain is. Look, y'all, do y'all hear that? Y'all don't hear a damn thing. Do y'all want to see outside? Welcome to Michigan, my friends. Yeah, it is acting like it didn't just fucking pour, but I'm glad I have proof so people can finally tell how fucking bipolar the state of Michigan's weather is. Like, nigga, you was just monsooning out here. Not a sun. I see a little peek of the sun. Shit, is a rainbow next? I hope so. Let me go home. I regret to inform y'all that I have cheated on y'all again. I'm sorry. I put my groceries up. It was a lot. I had to do what I needed to do. Like, I haven't been grocery. Ooh, it's dark. Hold on now. I haven't been grocery shopping in so long, so it was a lot of shit to put away. I hate that this apartment has no storage, but here's what we looking like. Okay. Yes. I did save the lip gloss to try with y'all, so let's try it. Let me show my lips dry. Oh yeah, I told y'all it was gonna be a fucking rainbow. I think I inserted the video. Oh shit, this is pretty fucking, oh hell nah. I do not like this color, honey. I'm finna take this shit back to Ulta. But let's see what the tint looks like. Okay, I look like fucking Miranda Sings. Hold on. I gotta put y'all in better light. Here is it, and that's no better. Let's give it a minute and then wipe it off to see what it's really talking about. Because right now, I'm scared and I got plans to go to Ulta tomorrow and return it if it's not looking right. Oh my God, I look crazy. Okay, I'm about to wipe this shit off. Let me see if I can put a lip gloss on top. Hold on. Lick Slav. Let's see. Let me show y'all in different light. It doesn't look that bad. It kind of looks like what the acai topical slick Slav or whatever it looks like. It's just that this lighting makes me look like I have the fucking sud. So we gotta pivot. Come on. Honestly, this light isn't even good either. I'm gonna take a video on my phone so y'all can really see the color. It's actually really cute. Like, I look a little fucked up right now, but yeah. Okay, like, look. Really cute. I don't hate it. I might keep it, not gonna lie. But I'll see y'all back on the DJI. I already told y'all, call the people on me because I've been neglecting y'all, but that's besides the point. All you guys should really know is that I decided to start a vinyl collection. Yeah. And I just went to Target and spent $22 on the Control album, SZA, $22.99. I thought that was a fucking steal. So yeah, now I'm about to go into Five Below because I want a little mini microphone. I feel like if I had a little mini microphone that I could just like put a little oomph in my funniness. Like, I feel like I'm meant to have a mini microphone. So I'm gonna go on Five Below and see if they have one. And after that, I'm gonna go into At Home because y'all know how I like to imagine my life and shit in there. And I'm moving soon. Fingers crossed, because I'm not re-signing my fucking lease. So I am moving soon, but I want to go into At Home and see what they working with. Not that I need more furniture. Like, if anything, I want like a new shoe rack. Well, a first shoe rack, but yeah. And also from Target, I got this Essence Lash Princess, which is my favorite mascara right now. I do like the Too Faced better than Sex, but as a little cheap mascara, love the Essence. And this is the black brown shade, so wanted to try that out. But let me quit yapping and go into Five Below. I don't know if y'all coming with me. Are y'all? Okay, let's go. You're coming home with me. Let's do a haul. Oh my God, I'm so tan. I went to a grad party yesterday. Didn't film, so y'all won't be seeing it. Anyway, I got these turtle chips that are flaming lime flavor. I never have seen these flavors before. And y'all know I love Shrek. I also love SpongeBob. I saw some SpongeBob ones of these, but they weren't in my size. But the Shrek ones were. And then I'm real parched. It's hot as shit. Hot as shit. I can't, like, oh my, I don't even want to talk about it. It's making me hotter, but I got me a little vitamin water. So let's go to At Home. First order of business.
I'm feeling lean, and I'll be down now. Anytime you call me, I'll be down. Because I love and I love and I love and I love you only.
Let's look for a shoe rack.
I need you more. Yeah, you know I run and I run and I run and I run. Fly in the sky.
This is literally where like the first DJI vlog footage is from. So we're back at home, no pun intended.
I'm on your way right now.
That is funny.
I'm on your vibe now. You got me on your now. Yeah, I'm on your way right now. Yeah. If not you, then I don't wanna know. I don't want a story. It's unconditional, got me needing something, yeah.
I'm telling y'all right now, don't let me get a house. We gonna do it big. Thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. I'm so sorry it was like all over the place, but we will be doing better in the future. Like, I needed to step away to really see what the why was, and I think I got it. So yeah, thanks for watching. I will see you guys next week, maybe. I'll see y'all when I see y'all. Bye.